Morning to all of you. Now I'm here in the one garden here in the job site. You know there is more mustard here planting. See the mustard here is good. I think yesterday there is somebody harvest because some good leaves already harvested. See in this area. There is more kangkong here. See in this fence. There's too much kangkong here. The water spinach is too much. In the another area also there's too much water spinach. See, and culantro also. There's too much also culantro. I think some other guy in Jan there are sowing here of this culantro. In that area there is a sugar cane here. See, the sugar cane is very abundant. Maybe inshallah if we have time we can also like to taste the sugar cane here. The advantage is there is continuously water flowing there downside. That's why the water spinach is very healthy. So good. So this we can make a same of this if we have a fence. So and mostly in our home we have a canal from our kitchen, so that canal maybe will make like this canal is straighting in the side of the fence, and so that this if we have some vegetable that we are planting there, this no need to put water. That is the good idea also this. So we got idea from here also. So if you have always busy, so no need to put water. That is the better here. See, the kangkong is very healthy, very dark. And you know, I see here that they put fertilizer is the bird dung also, because here some area here is too much bird dung here. I see. If I have a garden, I will take some bird dung. What the problem in the camp? There is no allowed there to plant there. That's why, unlike in my previous camp, I have a little garden there. So, but here my new camp is no area for planting. See this very nice looking. So see the because of the water's too much abundant water, there's downside. I see also some little pechay there. See, very abundant, and also the sugar cane. That's only for today. Thank you very much. If you like to have a garden like this, you can make same like this, that you're putting canal along the fence, so that if you have something vegetable vine, you can plant same like that. Okay, thank you.